Hello people, we are back. In our last match, Edge versus Cody Rhodes. Edge suffered a herniated disc. He will be out for a few months. Ding ding ding, this match is set for one fall, and it is for the Interpromotional Intercontinental Champion. Introducing first, debuting MVP, everybody. Debuting superstar.
Nobody can stop, nobody can hold, nobody control.
Will he win the title? What? You're not speaking. I'm sure you'd said one of my mistakes as soon as this match started. I'm sure you would have. Entering next, he is the Interpromotional Intercontinental Champion, Drew for the Intercontinental title. Well, I'm surprised you have not said a word since the beginning of this match of any of my mess-ups. When the bell rings, the match will begin. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, MVP, a new superstar. Whoa, almost getting the lead pipe. Oh, nice shot. 1, 2. Oh. Oh, hitting him in the stomach. Oh, Bulldog. Oh, nice shot. Oh. Ballin'. Nice shot to the neck. Whoa, he's got that lead pipe. He's holding on to it. Oh, he takes it away. Oh, it smacks him in the face.
Is the lead pipe even legal?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it is. Oh. A signature suplex. No atomic drop. Oh. Whoa, Drew McIntyre throwing him back in the ring. Dumpster, dumpster, dumpster.
Trash can, trash can, trash can.
Drew McIntyre. Oh, correcting the fans you are. Oh, nice shot. 1, 2. Oh,
the fans really seem into the match tonight.
Oh! And our next match, the main event, Triple H versus Y2J, Chris Jericho, the former champion. Oh, nice shot by Drew McIntyre. Oh, trying to get around, trying to get his signature, but he doesn't get it. Whoa, he misses. He misses that one. Oh, yeah. Ballin'. Whatever the heck kind of chant that is. Oh. Oh. Ballin'. Oh, nice shot. shot to the midsection. Edge suffered a herniated disc from that amazing fall onto one of the fans. Oh, nice one. Oh, he's gonna... Oh, backbreaker! Backbreaker! Still, powerbomb, no! No! Picking him back up! Whoa, no! Oh! Drew McIntyre, is he gonna go for his future shock? Oh! Oh no, that did not! That was not the future shock! No, Drew McIntyre almost gets it up! Whoa! Whoa! Hitting him! Oh no, he's got... Almost into the suplex! Oh! Oh! 1, 2, oh, kick out. Oh! Whoa, picking him up! Oh! Almost getting him through. Drew McIntyre with the future shock, future shock. No, future, it's a suplex. Ready? Oh! Whoa, he's got him into some sort of rock bottom, but it was not a rock bottom. Oh, nice powerbomb. Oh, picking him up again. Oh, 1, 2, oh, Drew McIntyre. Oh, oh, no, no. Oh, nice shot. Drew McIntyre. Oh.
Top rope. Oh, even worse.
Oh, oh no, the trash can moves. MVP. Oh no, he's got him. Swinging neck breaker on the top of the head. Oh no, oh no, he's got him. MVP, could he be walking out with a championship? Oh no, he takes him. Takes him. Whoa, no. Oh no. No. Ah, Drew McIntyre. No.
No.
Oh. Oh no, he hits him. Drew McIntyre. Damaging the arm. Oh, Drew McIntyre. Oh, low blow, low blow. Oh. Oh no, that was his signature. Throwing him into the corner. Giving him that trash can. What could be happening here? Oh, I like this.
It's gonna get bad.
Ah! Oh! He hits him hard. He hits him hard. Do we have a new champ? Oh! 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 The Playmaker. Oh! That's it. That's it. New champ. 1, 2, 3, and your winner, MVP. Oh, what should we have?
New champion. Oh, this is uncalled for.
Yes, it's uncalled for. Trying to get his arm into, like, some kind of lock. Oh, in armor! In armor! He's tapping! He's tapping us! Oh my god! But he picks him back up for the playmaker! What a finisher this is! Oh, onto the steel chest! Oh! We will be back with our championship match.